Kashmir's brain drain. Why our brightest are leaving. What happens to a place when its best minds quietly pack their bags and never return? This is the story of Kashmir's brain drain, a crisis not of war or water, but of wasted potential. Did you know over 3.7 lakh youth are unemployed in Jammu and Kashmir, and more than 46% of them are highly educated, graduates, postgrads, even PhDs. But they're selling dry fruits, driving cabs, or migrating out. Why? Let's find out. According to the CMIE, Kashmir has one of India's highest unemployment rates, 21% to 25% over the past 2 years. That's nearly 3x the national average. And if you zoom in, educated youth unemployment is at a shocking 46.3% per government data. And it's not just numbers. 5.5 lakh candidates once applied for 4,000 constable jobs. Imagine a PhD standing in line for a Class 4 vacancy. Take Mehreen, a data scientist from Srinagar. She moved to Hyderabad. "The work I do doesn't exist in Kashmir," she said. Yasir, a tech entrepreneur, tried to launch a startup in Srinagar. He left after battling slow internet, no funding, and zero support. Others? A dentist waiting 14 years for a job. A chemistry PhD now lifting bricks on a construction site. This is not a talent gap, it's a system failure. What's causing the exodus? 1. Recruitment delays, exam cancellations, unfilled posts, flawed selection processes. The JKSSB and PSC have been under fire. 2. No private sector. Where are the companies, the jobs, the industries? Kashmir remains over-reliant on government jobs that don't arrive. 3. Education, employability. Rote learning rules the day. Degrees are many. Skills, often missing. 4. Post-370 paralysis. Since 2019, economic shockwaves have scared off investors, thousands of crores in losses, and the youth still waiting. Families break, traditions fade, elders weep as their children Skype from faraway cities. "We raised them to shine, not to leave," the father says. But what choice do they have? So, what can we do? Reform the recruitment process. No more delays, no more corruption. Revamp education, skills over memorization. Build a startup ecosystem with real capital, real mentorship. Attract industry through infrastructure, not just promises. Listen to our youth, not just during elections. Kashmir doesn't lack brilliance, it lacks bridges between talent and opportunity. We're not just losing workers, we're losing writers, scientists, dreamers, and with them, a future we could have built right here. This is Amarism, where ideas meet insight, and where silence is not an option. Like, share, speak, because someone you know might be planning to leave next.